Hi everyone, this is my PowerPoint presentation on a flipped classroom. The meaning of a flipped classroom is basically to flip the normal instructional approach. So to, stray away from the traditional lectures in class, send them home with homework. It's sort of reversed. So interactive lessons, videos, PowerPoints, and so on that the teacher typically is talking through, such as this PowerPoint, are assigned to be worked on at home prior to class. So it's typically online where you can find this stuff, and then homework and other activities are done in class with the teacher the next day. So the purpose for a flipped classroom is so that students are introduced to the content before class. They can work on the videos on their own time, so they're able to rewind the lectures if they missed something and really, pay attention on their own terms. And then the homework is done the next day during class with the teacher, so that the teacher, instead of spending so much time on the lesson, they spend time working out homework issues and working on the homework. So there are a few benefits for the students with a flipped classroom. They learn at their own speed. There's more one-on-one time with teachers. Homework questions can be answered fast. There's less frustration on their part and feeling stuck on homework problems at home, because if they feel stuck in class, they can get the immediate help and attention that they need. There's more peer-to-peer collaboration, so the students can work on the homework together. And if students are absent, it's easier to catch up with learning content because it'd be available online. So if they're homesick, they can at least look at the lectures online. There are also benefits for teachers. There's less time with content-related questions during class. So as if they were lecturing, there's more time spent on homework questions. There's also more time meeting the needs of each student. There's more freedom in time managing, and the parents can become more involved at home, which is beneficial for teachers. They can sit with their kids during the lessons if they want, so that they know exactly what they're learning, and then maybe they can help explain it further if they know anything about it. So using the flipped classroom, many teachers use it in its entirety, or they use it as a tool, so only for certain subjects. So they don't use it for every single subject. They don't flip the instructional, situation completely, but they just might use it for certain things. So it seems to be beneficial. It can be used as a tool instead of in full model, or it could be used as the full model, and it's very beneficial for students and teachers. I'm having a lot of fun researching about this, and I can't wait to do more. Thank you for watching.